Move stock faster by offering customers a discount with the more items they buy. When a customer buys 3 balls of yarn, incentivize them to pick up more items by offering 10% off their entire sale. Or encourage customers to try a new lipstick brand. When your VIP customers buy 2, offer them $15 off their entire makeup purchase. To set up a new buy and save promotion, go to Products, Promotions, and select Add Promotion. Give the promotion a name as well as a short description. Set your promotion to start immediately or schedule a discount for the future. Choose to offer this promotion over many weeks or bring a sense of urgency by offering it for a limited time only. You can even set the exact times a promotion will start and end. Choose to offer this promotion in every outlet or limit it to the locations where it will be most effective. To offer buy and save, choose Advanced and then from the drop-down, buys the following items. Set how many items a customer needs to buy. Choose if customers can buy any item in store or create a targeted promotion with only specific products. Then select Save a certain amount and set how much the customer will save in your local currency or percentage. This discount will apply to the entire sale. Choose if this promotion will be available to all customers or only targeted to certain groups. Finally, choose if loyalty will be earned on purchases made during this promotion. Once complete, save your promotion. Select any promotion to quickly view all the products included. You can also edit the promotion details, duplicate a promotion, or choose to end the promotion early. When selling, add the product included in the promotion and the quantity. The buy and save discount will automatically be applied. And remember, when additional products are added to the sale, they'll receive the discount too. Discounts can manually be removed here. To offer multiple promotions at the same time, create targeted promotions for specific locations, customer groups, or products.